for the channel of the black truck. Today we're doing a 5-inch exhaust. I'm gonna turn it on. I just got in the shop. I'm gonna turn it on, do a little walk around what it sounds like with the whistle tune and the rumble tune that I can switch back and forth to. So yeah, let's do that. Gotta lift it up so we can fit under there a little bit better. Got my boy Mike helping me out today. So yeah, see if I can put it on here. So, here, let me zoom out on here. First thing we're gonna do to make it easy for ourselves, not take too much time on this, we're gonna cut here, and we're gonna cut there. And then all we gotta do is just take them off the hangers. And then over here, the previous owner did a slip-on clamp. Take this clamp off. Then come here, take this, these bolts out, these bolted nuts out, and then we go up all the way up here. Take off that clamp and slide back off of this bracket right here. So yeah, if you don't want to save the 4-inch, just cut, just to be easy to take off that tailpipe over there. And if you don't have this, if someone, like, if they weld it up straight, I mean, cut as much as you can, make life easier for you if you're gonna do a 5-inch anyways. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's open up the new package. And this is also the same exhaust that I use on customer vehicles. Got your downpipe, and it comes for all lengths of all trucks. Got your middle piece, got your over the axle, your straight, and you got your tailpipe, and you got extra pieces so against, you know, if you have like a crew cab long bed and stuff like that. Got your clamps. So I'll take it all out, slap it on. Beautiful. I got an elbow for it, but we'll do that another day. We're trying to have a good little evening, but oh man, that looks good, nice. All the clamps facing the same way. Yeah. Anyways, let's turn her on, see what she sounds.